We're going into the Joy Luck restaurant. We'll let you know.
I see better days. After the sunshine comes the rain.
About time to start the wontons. I ain't like it then.
Really?
Yep.
We got all our food. Yeah. Lots and lots of food. We're not going to be able to finish it for sure. We'll let you guys know.
I see better days. After the sunshine comes the rain.
We're just leaving the restaurant and it was pretty good for me. I'm gonna let Tia give her ratings first.
Yeah, it was pretty good. It wasn't the best, but it was pretty good. I'm going to give it an 8.
Yeah, I have to agree. I'm gonna have to give it an 8 also.
Yeah, 16.
Yep.
We eat everywhere. We eat everywhere. We eat everywhere. Reggie and Tia Adventures.